Hi everybody, welcome to Tam Predicts, and this is another kind of a reading. I've set the camera differently so you could see. This is going to be your June pick a card. I've got channel messages here I've written here, so sorry it just went inside. You can pick from either the green bottle or from the orange bottle. Green bottle is pile number 1 and orange bottle, sorry, is pile number 2. Sorry, it will just go inside. Firstly, before I start the video, I wanted to say that I'm going to do this green and orange again. I just wanted to introduce, for people who are new to my channel, welcome to Tam Predicts, and I am an intuitive tarot reader. In fact, I'm a medium, and I'm going to keep it here only. I'm a medium and I'm a psychic, I'm a psychic and I'm a clairvoyant. I work with my ascended masters. You can see the picture here, the Deathless Guru. It's here. I don't know if you can see it. I'll have to just tilt it, and with my archangels and my spirit guides. Guys, you can take my membership if you want. There'll be members only videos in that. You can click on the join button. For my I do personal readings. For personal readings, I've put the email down below. You can just write from wherever, whichever, just mention which country you contacting me for, because I then will give you rates according to your currency. Otherwise it gets very difficult for me to understand where are you messaging, and also the kind of reading that you want. And for spells, I do not answer any spell related question, Judge. I do not do spell work. I just do channel spell work and I put it on the videos. And yes, I will be uploading spell works. It's just that I don't get the time. I'll be uploading 2 new spells. I'll try this weekend. I really wanted to do spells and I've not done them for long, and I enjoy doing them. So that is a brief introduction. Yes, do join my channel, do click the like button, and if you're watching it, please do subscribe to my channel, because a lot of times I see people view it and they do not subscribe. So do subscribe and enjoy all the readings. If you want to know your guidances or whatever's going to happen in your life. So let's start the reading. These are, like I said, now I'm starting the reading. I gave the intro. So first is the green bottle, the first pile, and the second pile is the orange bottle. You can pause the video and you can choose from the bottles. So I'm going to start with the green bottle. So these are your messages for June. I have got the channel messages also, and I'm going to take you through them, and I'll also show you the cards that I've got. So if you chose green, I got these are all my channel messages. So these are guidances also. For the green color, I got 7 numbers going to be important in June. I also got the word purchase. So either you're going to purchase a big ticket item, or something is on your mind, like a car, or something that you've been wanting to purchase, is what I got. I also got mind over heart. So if there's a decision, if there's a decision to be made, I feel it's all about mind. That could be a guidance, that use your mind over heart. Maybe got to be more practical in the situation, got to keep your feelings or emotions aside and make the decision. I also got like when I'm talking, that it's high time you made the decision, whatever decision is pending. I also got documented, so which means actually have an official document about it, or document something. Don't leave it on if somebody says yes, this will be done, give me the money, and I will give you the documents later. Please be very careful if you're doing any deals. You need to document. I also get document the talk, because I feel somebody will go back on their words and said, I never said this, I never said that, and you'll have no way to prove it. So that's very important. I also got the words I love you for this pile. Let's see what the romance angel cards will say, because this is everything about June: money, love, job, family, health, whatever I can say. You'll get those messages or any guidances that I can give. So performance matters in this month. Perform better in your job. There's something to do with performance. Maybe your bosses are noting down your performance, or you probably, for your employees, for you judging them for some work, and performance is important, or maybe performance is important overall in June if you're working. Also got the word stars. Maybe there are stars in your eyes. I don't want somebody to show you stars, promise you the stars, and suddenly it falls flat. That's why document it. Maybe that's connected some way. I also got the word basket. Are you preparing a basket for something? Basket of fruits. Did you get a basket? Something to do with basket, you're getting a basket, or you just, I don't know why I got a straw basket. Maybe you've got fruits in it, or something like that, or you just collected a basket, or I'm not going to call it a basket of flowers, because it's mostly bouquet. I didn't see flowers in it. I saw more fruits in it, so maybe it's something to do with fruits. I got the color yellow, which means yellow is important for you, will be good for you in the month of June. I got the word magic. It's like something happened, like just with magic like this, with the snap of a finger. You'll be happy about it. something to do with a crossword puzzle. Do you like doing crossword puzzles, or something is becoming a puzzle to you? Is it, some, I feel when I am talking to you, I feel I can see in my mind's eye like a lot of lines crossing. So this could be a crisscross also. There could be a confusion somewhere that you're trying to solve. I also got the word bounce back. It's time to bounce back, get back on your feet is what I get. What is over, you got to get back on your feet for something. I also get shoulder pain. I also get, I was going to say right and left, but I don't know why. If it's coming both to me, I feel it's more towards, the right while I'm talking, or it's more towards the center. So those are your channel messages. We'll move on to the cards now. Let's see what the cards are saying. Are they any different from what messages I have given? So I'm going to keep putting the cards there. So your channel messages are done with. So let's see, I'm going to start with the Moonology card. I've not seen any of the cards right now. So have faith in your dreams. Actually, it says, bounce back, or, you need to bounce back. Maybe you lost faith somewhere, you lost confidence. So this card, Moonology card, is saying you got to have faith in whatever you're doing. You can't lose faith or confidence. The moment you lose faith or confidence, it's not, right, and you won't be able to achieve things, maybe because performance is very important in June. So that's what I was saying, performance is important. Soul satisfaction, you're going to be with your soulmate, you're going to be with your partner. Anything to do with partnerships, teamwork is going to be really good, especially in love relationships. I also feel, you have a baby together. Probably your baby's 2 years old. I get 2 years 2 months. I'm getting an exact figure. I don't know why. Probably whoever's listening to me probably has a 2-year-old or something in the family, or I get 2 years 2 months, or maybe your kid is turning. Maybe you're putting milestones. You're marking milestones. I feel a lot of satisfaction, soul satisfaction, like in especially in a relationship. It's such a beautiful card. I feel so much calmness when I'm reading this out to you. And I don't know, I think the word magic sits here. It's like, with just like magic things happen, just like how magic happens and you do not know how it happened, and you're kind of feeling very good with this whole relationship. And I kind of get a soulmate energy. Probably, I wrote 7, I think, in your, let me check again. Yep, so that is, so if it's 7 and it is 7, see, and while I'm looking at the counter while I was doing the video, it said as 717, it showed me that. So let's look at this 7. So it has to do with partnerships, it has to do with love. Yes, exactly. And if you can see, guys, I'm going to hold it closer. Probably you can see it now. See the 7 number here. Can you see it? 3 plus 4, 7. So suddenly with relationships, I get this connection and message that relationships are going to be beautiful. Yep, birth. I told you something to do about about a baby, because I could see a baby in the picture. A lot of times when we psychics see the picture, the tarot cards, I don't read the books that come along with it. I just say whatever, like I say, always I feel, and I notice new things every time. So I think you like dolphins also, because I can see a dolphin, and I don't know if you stay near water, but I'm actually seeing a birth of a child now, because there's a little baby here, It could also be a new idea coming into your head, okay? But this is definitely birth. If you wanted a baby and you wanted to ask me, when will I have a baby, or, really wanting a child, I feel you're going to be blessed. June is going to be beautiful. There's something new coming up. There is the birth of a baby. Okay, take care of your time, place your priorities well. This is having too much to do, so you got to work well. You have to manage your time well, because I feel June is going to be a very busy month for you guys. And it says, you have a list and you got to do what's right for you, and don't get distracted, because June you have to do a lot of things. Look at the card. It says don't move away, just focus, don't let distractions come in your way. So it's like I feel people will try to distract you, probably your friends calling you or something. You got to focus on work, or probably they'll want your advice on something, or they'll kind of keep calling you, but you're so busy and you have a lot of things to tend to. So just keep your focus on work. There has to be time management from your side. Wow, this is divine guidance. This is beautiful. The ideas that you are receiving, I told you you're going to start something new. So this is divine guidance and a yes. If you were starting something new, I think it's going to be yes. These are answers in your prayers. I think that you'll find your answers. If all this while, all these months, things were not happening, there was a delay, you were probably asking your spirit guides or whoever you pray to, the gods, that when will it be fulfilled, you got your answer. there will be an answer to your prayers. I'm using these cards after a long time. Whenever I start a session, it's like the cards that are calling to me at that time. I just pick them up. I'm like, yes, I have to use these cards. Just if somebody asks you for help, just extend help to them. I know you got to be very busy and there is time management problem, but don't forget your friends also. Maybe there was another message, which was important, which said, don't forget your friends. And even if you're busy or whatever, you need to be you need to help them out or listen to them. So manage time, but help them out also. This is taking new risks, this is new adventures. This is not caring about the world, being carefree. I'm telling you, this is starting something new, because that's what's coming to me. Maybe that's your maybe that's what performance is about. I'm sorry, I forgot the word makeover here. In your this green pile, I forgot the word makeover. So some of you are going through a makeover, or is it a house makeover, redoing your house, or something? Maybe your business plan needs a makeover. Something needs a makeover, and you are seriously, thinking about it. You've been deliberating about it, or something like that. It's up to you. So there is a choice, and it's up to you what to do. Somebody's left the decision in your hand. You know what to do. So this is more responsibility on you. It's up to you what to do. So you are in control. Maybe that's why mind over matter. It's up to you what you want to choose. So, but if I had to guide you, I would say mind, because I feel the situation has to be dealt with being more practical, having all the information, not sometimes with the heart. We don't listen to the other red flags or anything. We don't listen to other things, and we do what we think is right. So actually it's up to you, whatever right now. See, it could be any situation. Remember, this is a general guidance. So maybe you need a direction, and you're getting an intuition about it. So just follow that. Just see what's right in your situation. I always say we all know what's right. Okay, it's just that we sometimes are not trained to listen to our intuitions, or we don't listen to them. So that's up to you. So there's a compromise in the situation. So if you want balance in your life, I just want to say this: if you want any kind of balance in work or at home, I get a lot of at home, there has to be a compromise. It can't be just one person doing everything, and there has to be a compromise in the situation. I get balance. I get both parties have to put in the same, or it has to be an effort from both parties. It can't, I don't know. It's like you end up compromising, and that's how you achieve the balance. But I think that's not the kind of balance I would say you want. So I told you there's an opportunity, something new coming up, new beginnings. Could be a new job, new beautiful beginnings, a lot of money. Imagine the gold that she's receiving with open arms, the angels. So I also feel you need to open up to an idea. Maybe you have an idea in your head, but you do not know how good it is. So just work on that. That's what I feel, because I feel it will work for you. Too much thinking, that because it's come your crown chakra, it's come reversed. There's been too much thinking, but I think June is going to be more relaxed for you in some way. Or either you're done with thinking, that's when you're taking a decision. Remember when I said you need to take a decision? Maybe it's done. You're like, I've decided, what to do. So I was just rolling the dice for something. I wanted an answer. So I was trying to get an answer, because I rolled something in it twice, and it gave me a 5, and this is a 5 number. So either you are a 5 number, or you're born on the 5th, you're born in the 5th month of the year. Either you're May born, but maybe that was for you, because I don't know why I wanted to roll the dice and I actually got 5. A 5 number is important for you a lot. Got to rest. For some of you, need that break, or take little rest. That's what I got. I told you June is going to be busy, so just rest when you can. Take that cat naps, or probably just take a day off if you think it's like too much to handle, or there's too much burden of work or something. You deserve love. Yes, you do. And that's how you feel, that you deserve more love. Maybe you do. Yeah, because imagine this, both together, unrequited love. So that means you love the person very much. That's why there's no balance, and that's why there's a compromise. Maybe you compromise too much. Maybe when I got the words I love you in the beginning, it could be you want the other person to say it more often than you keep saying it. You keep the balance. You're like, when will you say it? I want you also to say something. It's just not me. You got to this is you giving and not receiving. It's like you got to make an effort. I come to meet you, I come to see you, I call you, but you don't return my love the way I want you to return the love to me. The kind of I love you so much, but I never get to hear that. Maybe the guy doesn't express, maybe the girl doesn't express. Home, yes, it's either building up a home. I feel one of you wants to get married, really want a home. You know what, you want to get married and have a home. See, transformation, I got it. That's why I wrote makeover. Remember I said, I just remembered the word makeover. I haven't seen these cards, guys. When we psychics just we're choosing piles, we just don't see what the cards are, because then we cannot form the story and we already get biased. So these are words which actually go. So there is a makeover, there's a transformation in you. Maybe your love is not you deserve more love, not really happy, and you're like, this is not making me happy, I need to change something, I need to change the situation. Is it you saying that? You're like, I had enough of, I don't know why, but this is someone almost begging, down on the knees. It's like, the other person doesn't listen to you at all. I'm not getting a good feeling when I'm holding this card. I feel sadness. Look at this. You're like, I've done everything in the relationship. When are you going to make the effort? How much can I give? It's your time to give back. Really want a home. You really want to be settled. Or really want a home of your own. Buy something. Or home is very important. It's always about a home for you. Always coming back to home. It's home that you don't like going. You'd like going out, but it's like you want to come back home. You get homesick or something like that. So you could be a Scorpio, you could be dealing with a Scorpio. That's what I get, the kind of zodiac sign. You could be dealing with a difficult person. It could be that, or you could be Scorpio. You could be difficult with other people. You could be Cancer. So a lot of water sign I'm getting. A lot of water energy. You could be a water sign. Or you could be dealing with a water sign. But emotions are important. I'm getting, this is the third time I'm seeing a baby in the card. So there is a birth. And if you really had a question on your mind, when will you conceive or will you have a baby? That's your answer, okay? I don't know why, but I get a lot of baby girl energy. That's what I get while talking, on looking at these cards. The second house will affect you. I'm doing the planet cards, and your assets, finances, and they're things that you value. They're going to affect your house. So just be careful about performance, money. That's why I said document things, okay? It's important for you to document things. So in June, these will be your highlights. Like I said, a car. So there is a car. You're going to buy a big ticket item. You've been wanting to buy a luxurious, something to do with luxury. Luxurious, something that makes you feel great. So probably you've been putting money away to buy something for yourself. A lot of Mars energy for you. This is the planet card. They're very beautiful cards. So your physical energy, your drive, strength, and fighting spirit. So this is your fighting spirit in June. You're not going to give up. You'll just keep going on, and you've bounced back also. So you'll become more confident. From that girl that I almost saw begging, and I almost saw tears. You're gonna go. You're like, you put me through hell. I'm back on my feet. Or if you had a difficult time at your job, you're like, I'm back at my feet. So this is all you. And I feel a lot of energy. I feel a lot of things happening for pile one. A lot of multiple things happening. A lot of things to take care of. Decisions to be made. So this is going to be like a high energy month. You're going to be really busy as a bee. Really, there's a lot of buzz there. Let's see what other messages can I give. What's important for you? Anything that's important for you? The letters. I just want to see the letters. So chats, I told you there's a lot of chat. You want the other person to speak up also. That's what I feel. I can see a chat. A lot of WhatsApp messages. Probably by the end of the video, if you wanted somebody to WhatsApp you or message you, I think you're going to receive a message. That's what I feel. Yes, more about a heart. Want to meet someone. Want the other person, to fill the vacuum in your heart. I don't know what it means, but yeah, you kind of feel, even if you are with someone, you kind of feel lonely. Even if you are with someone, you want someone to return the love in the same way you love them. That's what I feel. Let's see any other charms. This is a long reading I did, guys, because I normally don't get time. So today I got a bit of a time. Let's see the charms. I'm not looking for whatever charms or colors come to me. I'll give it to you. Blue and I'm going to say kind of gold is important. So blue and gold are important for you. I think I wrote the yellow color. So yeah, yellow and gold. Yes, there was yellow in it. Which color did I give you in this pile? I'm just checking my messages. Yes, there's a yellow there. So yellow is going to be important, like gold and even light blue, this kind of a color. I don't know if it's a light blue, but kind of going towards purple. That's going to be important for you. Are you going to buy gold also? You said these words to someone. You have a heart of gold. Did you say that? I don't know why I got these words. So those were your messages for June. I hope you enjoyed your reading. If you had chosen the green, message in the bottle, green color. Let's see. I'm going to go to the orange bottle now. So let's see what are your messages in the bottle, around the bottle, channel messages, pile number 2. So I did some channel messages, then we go on to the tarot. Let's see what I wrote, when I'm just automatically writing and I have to deliver these messages to you. So if you've chosen pile number 2, it says let it go. It says must have. You really want to have something, must have. Or that's a must have thing, in your house or anywhere, but must have. You must have that. Are you getting obsessed with something? Must have. I must have that. A lot of fire energy that I'm getting. Fire signs maybe. You need to find solutions, guys. This is the time, June. You need to find solutions. You can't keep going round and round. That's another message that I get. Numbers 4, 8 and 3 are very important for you. I just wanted to roll the dice and see. 8 plus 3 is also 11. I got a 1 here. I also feel 11 or 1 are going to be important. Something is going to crop up. Something cropped up in June, which you were not expecting. That's the message that I get. You're also sick of it, These are the words that you said. Something is very basic for you. Is it a basic want or is basic? Is it very basic? Why would you say those words? You're sick of something. Either put in too much effort and you don't want it anymore. That's what I get. For some of you, I wrote I want to work on it. So there's something you want to work on it. Probably give it your best, or you still have to give it your best. The situation, or you really want to work hard on it. You've not given up. Something is one-sided. I don't know. So this is kind of I just did automatic writing and those words came to me. So this is somebody probably wants to give up. It's one-sided. That's why probably I wrote let it go in the beginning. I also wrote boring, monotonous. Maybe something is monotonous. Is the relationship monotonous? Is your job monotonous? There are two stories, okay, to one thing. There are two stories that you're getting. There are two different stories you are hearing. And you do not know which one to trust. I also got the word hounding. So somebody is hounding you. Are you hounding someone with something? Also jobless. Did you just lose your job? I hope it's not true. But I also got you. Why would I write lose your job? Or so 8 plus 4 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 3. 12 is 3. So 3 is important for you. 3 and 1 are also important for you. That's what I get. I'm going to now take the cards out and see what are the cards saying. I haven't seen the cards like I was explaining to pile number 1 if they picked up pile number 1 that I actually don't see the cards. We just put it in a pile. And let's see now what the story is unfolding. Sometimes it's a story, sometimes they're all different messages. Remember, this is a general reading. It's not necessarily all the messages are for you. So you know which message to take for as your guidance and which to leave. Oh, what do you need to release? This is exactly why I wrote. Let's see orange. Where is the orange one? I hadn't seen the cards. Yes, let it go. It's a big message for you guys. Here, it's one-sided. It's boring. You're sick of it. So for some of you don't want to work on it. You're sick of it. No wonder I wrote let it go. So in winter time since December, this is for June, since December, you've been thinking of releasing something. Or maybe you've not been able to release something and still carrying on from winter time. Something that started in winter, or something you wanted to give up in winter, or something you will give up in winter, coming winter. So in June, you'll have this, you need to release this. In June, you'll have this big red flags, That's why I wrote let it go. Let's see what are the other cards saying. Creative expressions. Some of you are very creative. You need to use your creativity. You're not using your creativity to create things. You could be boring in your way. You normally create a lot of great things. But are you becoming predictable? Do you need to have another style of writing or painting or anything that you do creatively? If you make clothes, I don't know why I said clothes, or if you're a makeup person, if you're a makeup artist, are you being too predictable? You got to be more creative. That's your guidance for June. It'll do you got to be more creative, open up, think more, use your imagination. There is hope. Some of you are still sitting on hope, still thinking there is hope. in this situation. I'm just checking what numbers I wrote. 5 is also important for you. 5 came in the other pile. Look with new eyes and create the change that awaits you. So got to look at things with new eyes. It could be a relationship, a job. You kind of just seeing the same old thing, and if you change your perspective, you're going to get lucky is what I get. Also, don't give up, you know, for a few of you. For some of you, it is a relationship read. For some of you, sorry, it could be, sorry, the other cards fell. Just something, you know, you've been hoping for. So I really don't want you to give up hope. Some of you taking classes, some of you teaching also. Maybe you need to change the style of your teaching, or maybe you find your classes boring. Maybe you got to make learning fun for someone. Maybe the creative expression is not right. You know, look at this. I feel the class is bored. The way the teacher is teaching. Maybe there's another way to teach. That's why probably new perspective is coming. If you want to make the situation more exciting, there has to be a new perspective. You have to look at it with new fresh eyes. That's why everything is like you finding it boring, or people who are working with you probably are finding it boring because they expect a lot of creativity from you, or you got to change your style. Yeah, you believe in perfectionism. Some of you are perfectionists, you know. It's all creative projects, so you're highly creative. This group is very creative, okay? That's what I get. You create things, you know, you use your imagination. But I feel you're fearing something, you know, you're not even experimenting. That's the word I was looking for. I think that's the right word. You're not experimenting, or you used to experiment, but there's something stopping you. You're becoming perfect, you know, but that's also becoming boring for you. I really feel you need to open up and learn new things, learn new skills, or learn a new way to do what you've been doing. See, it says don't allow perfectionist fear to result in procrastination. I also get you want to be so perfect at, you know, at something that you keep on doing it, you keep getting bored just because you want to be perfect. You're not you know, you're just not being imaginative. That's a problem. You're fearing something. I feel till the 10th of June, things are not going to really move forward for you. If you wanted any change in anything, a person or job or anything, you know, I feel it's after June 10th. Things will change for you. Things will slowly change for you. I also do not get, you know, sudden movement, but I get things slowly changing for you. Let's see what the angels are saying. You need to believe. If you believe, it will happen. Remember that. That's why probably the hope card came, you know. Hope for the best. If you believe, it will happen. That's what I get. So don't lose hope. Things will get better. Within the next few months, things will improve. See a light at the end of the tunnel, at the end of the bridge. There is something so beautiful waiting for you. I even feel if you lost your job somewhere and, you know, you've given up hope, don't give up on hope. I really feel, you know, you will get something. Just wait, you know, just it says next few months. I get another 2-3 months, not more than that. You wouldn't have to wait much. Communicate clearly. So whoever you're dealing with, express clearly, communicate clearly. I feel you're not communicating. The words you're using are not right. Or probably there is something else in your heart and you're saying something else. That's another message that I get. It could be a job situation, could be anything, guys. So please communicate well. The other person is not going to understand you unless you have a very clear-cut communication. You know, a talk with them. You need to have a chat with someone. That's what I got. Maybe the other person misunderstood you. Let's see what the energy cards are saying. You've almost given up hope. You know, it's like you think there's nothing. You know, you cannot jump over this gate. You know, this is reversed, but I'm going to just upturn it to give you the right picture. Look at this. You know, it's like you also stopped waiting for someone. You're not going to wait for someone. You also waited for someone too long. You know, you're like, I cannot even see you if you're there. That's a message. You almost locked away yourself, you know, in your home, and the other person is on the other side. I don't know why I want to say this, but the other person is totally not on the same page with you when it comes to emotions. And you're done waiting. This is what I get. You're done waiting. You cannot wait anymore. It's kind of tired you out. 3 number is pretty important for this pile. That's what I get, because I got to get a lot of 3 here. I've written 3 also, guys. 3 is important for you, and I didn't roll the dice, I saw this. I saw 3 here right now. So a lot of times there is a sign that either you're a 3 number, or you're going to see 333, or there's going to be divine intervention, or 3 is important. I also get multiples of 3. So this is 11 also, I said, I think, for this pile when I was calculating. Remember in the beginning I said 1 or 11 is also what I get. Guys, let June 10th go. It's not really right for some of you. You know, the kind of things that you wanted, opportunities, great things that you wanted, it's not happening right now for some of you. I think it's kind of a delay. It will happen. Like I said, after 10th of June things will move, guys. Don't worry about it. Things will happen. Good things will happen. Let's see what the romance angels are saying. So this has come reverse. So you thought the person was your soulmate, and your soulmate is not with you. You've been calling in your soulmate and you've been failing somehow. So that's why you let it go. You know, you really thought the person is your soulmate, but something happened. This relationship was so good, but something happened and you broke off. You're on the verge of breaking off, not going good. I really feel 7 years, something to do with 7 years. 7 years. You know each other for 7 years, is it? 7 weeks, 7 months. Yeah, there was a lot of attraction. For some of you, there's a lot of attraction coming in, you know, or you'll really be attracted to the person you're going to go around with if you've not met the person. I also get new energy here, you know. I feel you love flowers. I can just smell roses and other flowers right now. And I feel you have a very sharp sense of smell. I don't know why, if you're listening to this and you love perfumes, and I don't know, I get a lot of citrus here. I get a lot of spices, you know, like wood and, you know, such smells, good perfumes. I feel you have a collection of perfumes. I don't know why I want to say this. And when I'm looking at this card, I just want to say green color is really good for you. You know, you chose orange here, but green is really good for you. It brings you luck. That's what I said. Yeah, that's what I don't know if I wrote that in the channel message, but green is going to be good for you. There's a lot of attraction in June. It's a beautiful card. This is somebody happy in love. Root chakra, ground and center. Just be rooted, you know. Just whenever you're making your decisions in June, just be practical, you know. I also get be practical. I don't know if you're going to see a moth, but I really feel, not a butterfly, but I feel a moth. You're going to notice a moth. I feel getting attracted to someone, like earth sign. Are you an earth sign getting attracted to someone? Or the person you're getting attracted to is an earth sign? I don't know why I'm getting with this. You're also like a moth attracted to, you know, the light. You really, this is, I get like an attraction card. I get totally different. This is the story. Wow. Star seed elemental. I told you, you guys are very creative. You could be a psychic also. You could be a star seed, you know. This is also, you know, understanding your psychic abilities, your intuition. Maybe that's your creative expression, or you're not really, you know, understanding it, or you need to understand it. There is a very unique gift that you have, but you're not understanding that gift. In June, probably you're going to work on it. So for zodiac signs, this could be a Libra in your person. Sorry, Libra in your charts, or you could be a Libra. You could be dealing with a Libra. Needs to be you need to rebalance your relationship. That's what I get. This could be for a Gemini. You could either be a Gemini, could be dealing with a Gemini. Geminis, I feel energy is very low right now. I don't know why I pick it up. Very low energy, you know, for a few days. Very emotional. This is the moon. Being very emotional. Sensitive right now, you know. Anything anybody says, you know, you just react, just thinking. This is the second time I can see a woman who's really lonely and, you know, almost given up, and you're like, you know, nothing can happen for me, you know. Don't be quick to react. I don't know if you're dealing with a water sign, because I get a water sign also. I don't know if you're a water sign, but yes, kind of emotional right now. A lot of reflection. You know, I almost feel like you're asking questions. Why did I do it? What happened? You know, those kind of questions I get. So the third house affecting you. your potential to learn something, and your local neighborhood. So people around you are, I'm going to say the people very close to you are important. I also feel learning new. This is all about, you need to learn something, or this is a gift that you have, something unique you have and you do not know about it. I told you this is a time to learn. This is a time to find out what you have. You got to dedicate more time to your skills that you have, your gifts, or probably you working so hard and you forgetting to develop them, or you're not reading about them, or they need a new perspective. Let's see what alphabets can I get. What is important to you guys? What alphabets are important? N is going to be important for you. I get an N. So if your name could be starting from N, you could be a November born. I also feel the person you're dealing with could be N. It's also W, you know. I get, like I told you, I get the questions what, where, when. This is too much on your mind. This is what you've been doing. What, where, when. That's what I feel. Let's see what sounds I get, or what colors that I get. I'm not seeing, guys. I wanted to pick 3. I feel dull. I feel drained. I feel the ball will set rolling, you know. Look at the disco ball. Things will be okay, but it'll take time, you know, time for things to get back. I told you, though you've chosen an orange color, but green is also important for you. Green is an energy that heals, a color that heals you and gives you energy. So green is important. Don't feel dull and lifeless. I just use it when I pulled the Gemini card. This is somebody who's totally drained, you know, devoid of color. It's like, you know, too much, doing too much. Maybe you need to rest. So those were the messages for you. Thank you for listening to these piles. Have a beautiful June, and I hope great things happen for you, to you. And do remember to comment, do hit the like button, and do subscribe to my channel, and do join if you love my videos. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.